Hello everyone. If you're not getting the Windows 11 25H2 update on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to get that Windows update on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu. You're going to write here run. You're going to write here gpedit.msc, and that will open up the local group policy editor on your computer. And here, what you're going to do is you're going to go into administrative templates. You're going to go into Windows components. You're going to scroll down until you find Windows Update. So it should be around here. And here, what you're going to do is you're going to click onto Manage Updates offered from Windows Update. And here, you can see, let me just maximize this window. You can see Enable Optional Updates are turned off. You're going to double click on Enable Optional Updates. Make sure it is enabled. Click OK then. Turn this one on as well. And lastly, turn this one on. And after you've turned all three of these on, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and restart your computer once. And once you're done with restarting your computer, when you come here and search for Windows Update, and you click on check for updates here, you should get the Windows 11 25H2 update on here. I'm already upgraded to Windows 11 25H2, so I won't get it anymore. Here, I'll show you. Here you can see. So there's this guys, that's how easy it was to get the Windows 11 25H2 update on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.